How to make your account private on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can actually make your account private on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in order to make our account private on Snapchat, there are some of the settings which we need to customize, but keep in mind that we don't have a definitive toggle just like for TikTok and Instagram, where with one switch you can make your account private. Instead, there are a couple of things which you need to go ahead and review manually. So first of all, what we will do is we will simply go ahead and then launch the Snapchat application on our device. And once we launch the Snapchat application, you can see this is how it is actually going to look like. You have to tap on your Bitmoji profile, which is on the top left corner of the screen. So once you tap on a Bitmoji profile and come to this page, what you can do is currently you can see I don't have a public profile. You can see it says create public profile. So if you have a public profile, first make sure to delete that public profile, and I will show you how to make it private. In order to make it private, on the top right corner, simply tap on this gear icon. And once you tap on the settings icon or the gear icon here, we want to scroll down under privacy controls. So you can see it says contact me. So you can select who can contact me, and you can select only friends or friends and contacts. So that will only generally keep you in contact with friends. You can see who can use your Bitmoji avatar, then you can select only me. So you don't want anybody to use your Bitmoji avatar. And you can see who can view my story. Again, you can just select custom or friends only. And that basically means only people whom you've accepted as friends will be able to view your story. So these are all of the privacy settings. You can also select the quick add feature. So whether or not you want to show yourself in the quick add, you can also turn that off as well. And now you could come back to see my location and so on. You want to make sure that it is set to only me and so on. And these are some of the main privacy settings which you want to customize in order to make your account private. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.